African farm. Some maize plants, and cowpeas. These are cowpeas, and they are having the crop, and this is the flowers of cowpeas, and this now is the peas almost getting ready in the farm. Maize are yet to produce very well due to lack of good rainfall, but some of it is doing better. Yeah, it's doing better. But the cowpeas are doing the best. Will give a good yield this year. See, it will give a good yield. The cowpeas. Really, really nice. And here we have another type of peas. I can't tell the name, the English name of this type of peas, which is also sprouting the flowers, and the product is here. This is the product, but not yet ready. This is the product, the yield is quite populated. The cowpeas doing nicely. In front there we have African baobab tree. I think this is the most famous African tree in Africa. This is the most famous African tree. Someone tell me the name of this kind of peas, this type of peas, please. I don't know that peas. It's also another type of peas. I think so. Oh, that is green grams. Not even peas. Those are green grams. They are called so. I'll show you more green grams. They are called green grams. But this now is another type of peas, bringing the crop quite nicely. This portion, due to sometimes it was flooded and the crop was destroyed in this part of the farm. Yeah, and this side is where we have, this is a fence sort of, and now here we have now the green grams doing quite okay despite the poor rainfall. This here are the green grams doing quite okay. This one are drought resistant, so despite the poor rainfall and a lot of weed, but the plant itself is doing quite okay. You can see this one doing just okay. And these are the peas that I don't know the name. Yes, I'm not sure of the name of this peas, and it's very big. It grows first 3 months, it gives a crop. Then after that, if you don't uproot it, the next 3 months it gives a plant. Now this is the 5th month. That's why you see it's bigger than the green grams. The green grams have been planted in the last 2 months, but that piece has gone for 2 consecutive seasons, each of 3 months. So it gave first crop, then now it is going to give the second crop But the green grams only give one crop every 3 months. You uproot it, you plant it again. They are coming quite nicely despite the rain started with a lot of flooding, and the flooding caused a destruction of the crop. So the crop is quite not well populated in this farm, but we think it's still doing fine. Also, due to the flooding, weeding was not done. All right, that's that. I really love the blue skies. Bye.